Alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 9. Our today's topic, set part 2. This is lecture number 22 and HW number 17. Okay, dear the students, let us start our today's class. Today we will solve two problems from question number 1 of general mathematics from exercise 2.1. Here the question is, express the following sets in set rooster method. Dear students, in your book, here it is written that express the following sets in set builder method, but it is mistake. You have to take correction here. Here that set already given in set builders method. We have to convert this set into rooster method. Okay. At first, here the given set is x belongs to n such that x square greater than 9 and x cube less than 130. We have to convert this set into rooster method. At first, given that x belongs to n such that x square greater than 9 and x cube less than 130. Dear the students, here it is a given set and the set is given in set builders method. We have to convert this set into rooster method. That means we have to find out the element of this set directly, and at the time of finding out the elements of this set, we have to maintain three conditions. First condition, the elements will come from set of natural number. Second condition, the square of the elements will be greater than 9. And third condition, the cube of the element will be less than 130. Okay. At first, we will write the set of natural number. Yet students, this symbol meanings there exist or belongs to. It means the element of this set comes from set of natural number. So, at first we write set of natural number. We know that the set of natural numbers is n equal to, we have to give double line here for denoting set of natural number. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dot dot dot. Dear the students, set of natural number starting from 1. That means its starting point is 1, but its ending point is undefined. All of the positive integer number are the element of set of natural number. Now, from the elements of this set which maintain this condition, and this condition will be the element of this set. Now we will check which element maintain this condition and this condition. If x equal to 1, then x square equal to 1 square equal to 1. 1 is not greater than 9. That means this element is not, this element doesn't follow this condition. And x cube is equal to 1 cube is equal to 1. It is less than 130. This element follow this doesn't follow this condition, but it's follow this condition. Now we'll check. 2. If x equal to 2, then x square equal to 2 square is equal to 4. 4 is not greater than 9, so that means 2 doesn't follow the condition x square greater than 9. And x cube is equal to 2 cube, 2 cube is equal to 8, it is less than 130. If x equal to 3, then x square equal to 3 square equal to 9. 9 is not greater than 9. 9 is equal to 9, but it is not greater than 9. So this element also doesn't follow this condition, but it will follow this condition. And x cube is equal to 3 cube. 3 cube is equal to 27, which is less than 130. So we cannot take 1, 2, 3 as the element of this set. Now we will check, can we take 4 as the element of this set? If x equal to 4, then x square equal to 4 square is equal to 16. 16 is greater than 9. That means 4 follow this condition. And x cube is equal to 4 cube. 4 cube is equal to 64. And 64 also less than 130. That means the element 4 comes from set of natural number, it's follow this condition and it's also follow this condition. So we can take 4 as a element of this set. If x equal to 5, then x square equal to 5 square and 5 square equal to 25. 25 is greater than 9. And x cube is equal to 5 cube is equal to 125. It's less than 130. That means x equal to 5 also follow both conditions. So we can take x5 as the element of this set. Now if x equal to 6, if x equal to 6, then x square equal to 6 square and 6 square equal to 36, which is greater than 9. And x cube is equal to 6 cube and 6 cube is equal to 6 6 are 36 and 36 6 are 6 6 are 36. From 36 we will write 6 carrying 3. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3 equal to 21. 216. 216, which is not less than 130. That means x equal to 6, it's follow this condition, but it doesn't follow this condition. If we take x equal to 7, 8, 9, 10 and other elements of this set, they will not follow this condition because cube of this number will be greater than 130. That means we can say that only 4 and 5 will be the element of this set. Therefore, according to given condition, The acceptable elements are the acceptable numbers are 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Therefore, our required set in Rooster method will be, therefore, the required set is, we have to keep these two elements in second bracket and we have to give comma between the elements. This is the answer. Dear students, we have finished one number. I hope you have understood it. Now we'll solve three number. Here the question of three number is, x belongs to n such that x is factor of 36 and x is multiple of 6. That means the element of this set will come from set of natural number, and from the set of natural number we have to take only the elements which will be the factor of 36 and multiple of 6. Given that x belongs to n such that x is factor of 36 and x is multiple of 6. Multiple of 6. At first we will write the set of natural number. We know that the set of natural number is n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ... Now we'll write the factor of 36. Now factor of 36 are the numbers by which we divide 36. When remainder will come 0, then that number will be the factor of 36. If we divide 36 by 1, then remainder will be 0. So 1 is a factor. Similarly 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor of 36, 4 also is a factor of 36, and 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 itself. Sorry, it will be 36. These numbers are the factors of 36. Now we'll write the multiple of 6. Multiple of 6 are, if we count the times tables of 6, then we can get multiple of 6, and multiple of 6 will be 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, dot dot dot. Number of multiple of any number is unlimited, so we have to give dot dot sign here. Now we have to see the numbers which exist here and here will be the element of this set. Here 6 exists here and here. 6 also exists in set of natural number. We need not to check the numbers exist here or not, because all of these numbers are exist in set of natural number. We will see only the numbers which exist among this number and this number. Here 12 exists here and also exists here. 18 and 36. That means 6, 12, 18 and 36 are the factors of 36 and multiple of 6, and these four numbers also exist in set of natural number. So the element of this set will be 6, 12, 18 and 36. Therefore we can write now, according to the conditions the acceptable numbers are acceptable numbers are 6, 12, 18 and 36. Therefore required set is, therefore the required set is 6, 12, 18, 36. This is the answer of 3 number. Dear students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's CW. Now I will give you SW. Our today's SW number 17, and our today's SW is exercise 2.1, question number 1 and sub number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Dear students, I hope you will be able to do your SW properly. Do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.